Hello Coffeeholics, welcome back. Today I am going to share with you 5 different types of milk syrup combination for one drink, cafe latte. This time we are going to use coffee brewed from the espresso machine. In a previous video tutorial I showed you how to adjust the milk syrup combination using cold brew for a latte. This time it's going to be espresso shots. So for the ingredients we are going to use my condensed milk, my evaporated milk, plain milk, also syrup if you'd like a combination of milk and syrup instead of condensed milk. For those that do not have evaporated milk in their country, you can also replace the evaporated milk with half and half, or you simply combine it with plain milk. But using evaporated milk makes the drink a lot creamier and a lot richer. Just give it a try once and then you can decide which of these 5 milk syrup combination you would like to use for your coffee shops or for your own consumption. And of course we are going to make use of our espresso shots. I now have 5 double shot espresso here using my dark roast coffee beans. These are for iced coffee, and we are going to compare it using a 12-ounce cup. So we are going to stick with 45 ml of milk syrup combination for all the 5 recipes and use the same number of shots of espresso and amount of milk. Let's start with recipe number 1, 100% sweetness level. For this we need condensed milk 30 ml, evaporated milk 15 ml, plain milk 30 ml, stir to combine, add ice, and pour your espresso shots over. For the espresso, you may use 40 to 60 ml depending on how strong you want your espresso to be. Next it is recipe number 2, 50% sweetness level. For this, we are going to split condensed and evaporated milk 50-50, 22.5 condensed milk, 22.5 ml of evaporated milk, 30 ml of plain milk. Stir to combine, add ice, and pour your espresso shots over. On to the next one, recipe number 3, 25% sweetness level. For this we are going to use more evaporated milk than condensed milk. 15 ml condensed milk, 30 ml evaporated milk, 30 ml of plain milk, stir, add ice, and finally pour your espresso shots over. Recipe number 4, 50% sweetness level, no condensed milk, no evaporated milk, only plain milk and syrup. 75 ml of plain milk, 20 to 25 ml of sugar syrup, stir to combine, add ice, and pour your espresso shots over. Finally, it is recipe number 5, 0% sweetness level. For this is just milk and the espresso. 75 ml of milk, add ice, and pour your espresso shots over. Wow, that to me is perfect. Perfect balance of the milk, the sweetness, and the strong shots of espresso. The coffee is slightly more bitter, and that's because there's less sweetness. This is 50%. I would think this is good for those that are wanting just a little bit of sweetness in their latte. This is more evaporated milk and less condensed milk. Coffee is definitely more bitter. This one is not bad for those that want their coffee to be creamy and not sweet at all. Now this one, if I look at the texture of this, it's not creamy at all. It looks a little bit more runny. That's because we use plain milk and sugar syrup. definitely different from the texture of the other three. It's very simple. It's just a normal cafe latte. It's nothing like the one with my milk syrup. That is for sure. You must give it a try. And finally, for those that are just wanting milk and coffee, if I were just going to buy a latte from a shop and they serve me this, I probably wouldn't go back. But if they serve me this one, I definitely will be coming back for more. So there you go, 5 different types of milk syrup combinations that you can try and decide on which one you would like to apply or use in your cafes. So if you have any questions at all about these recipes, do let me know, comment below. Don't forget to check out my book, The Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. In the meantime, stay tuned for more of these video tutorials. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.